Alright, problem number 4. A rectangular footing is 2.5 meters along the y-axis and 3 meters along the x-axis. The footing supports a concrete pedestal. The top of the pedestal is subjected to a vertical force of 1,500 kilonewtons and a horizontal force of 153 kilonewtons along the x-axis. Footing thickness is 700 millimeters. Depth of footing is 2.2 meters. Distance from the top of pedestal to the base of the footing is 2.5 meters. Unit weight of concrete, we have 23.5 kilonewton per cubic meter, and the unit weight of soil is 17.5 kilonewton per cubic meter. So first question is, what is the maximum net soil pressure in kilopascals? And letter B, compute the required gross soil pressure in kilopascals. So let's solve letter A. So diri no, dili given ang atuang figure. So atong himuon is ato siyang i-draw. Alright? Given daw rectangular. So meaning ang imong dimensions sa imong footing is not the same. Pero giingon, along the y-axis 2.5 meters daw. Tapos, along the x-axis, 3 meters in length. So, 2.5 by 3. Na. So, again, ito siyang ano ha, i-3D. O, 2D man eh. I-3D na to rotate. Na. Rotate na. So, muna to ang orientation sa axis. X, pahingani. Y, tapos z-axis. Now, 2.5 meters along y. Asa along y, kani. So, kani nga length ang 3 meters. Ay, no, 2.5 meters. Kani de 2.5. Tapos, 3 meters along x. Kani, 3 meters along x. Now, giingon, the footing supports a concrete pedestal. Kani, pedestal. The top of the pedestal is subjected to a vertical force of 1,500 kilonewton. Kani. Tapos, and a horizontal force of 153 kilonewton along the x-axis. O, kani dong horizontal force ni mo, kani 153 kilonewtons, is subjected along. So, meaning kung along, unsay along? Parallel anang axis. Right? Parallel anang axis. So, therefore, parallel. Ingani. Na, parallel. So, parallel sa 3 meter nga length. Footing thickness, 700 mm or 0.7 meters. Depth of footing, 2.2 meters. Okay? 2.2 meters depth of footing. So, gikan sa imong NGL to the bottom of the footing, 2.2 meters. Distance from the top of the pedestal to the base of footing. So, top sa imong pedestal, pero sa bottom is 2.5 na ra kaning pink. Na. Okay? Okay. So, mo ni hang 2D. So, atong front view diri is kaning 3 meters. So, ayun. Yan siya. Okay. Now, nganong ako ang gikuan nga, ako ang view ang gigamit diri is kaning 3 meters nga length instead sa kaning 2.5. Again, ang purpose kanong 3 meters ako ang gigamit or along 3 meters ako ang view kani is because ang moment na ma-create ani due to horizontal force nimo is what? Parallel ani nga axis or parallel ani nga length. Right? So therefore, kani ang mas square. Or sa katimong formula, mo ni mong B na i-consider. Nakuha? Mo di mong length ang 2.5. Alright. So, ayun. So, unsa itong first step na to? Itong first step is to check for the value of your E and check for the value of your B over 6. We have moment over the total vertical load, MP. M ni mo or moment is, yes, di ba? Mag-create pa ni siya rotation about the bottom sa mo footing. So, we have what? 153 multiplied by the moment arm na 2.5. So, 153 times 2.5 all over the total vertical load P given 1,500. So, eccentricity is 0.255. Next is solve for the value of b over 6. Nara. Imong b diri i-consider kaninang 3. Alright? 3 over 6, that's 0.5. So, kung i-take note diri, 3 meter nga length ato ang gamiton because parallel siya sa moment. Okay, so muna to shock explanation diri na. So, upon checking, ato ang value sa E is what? Less than na naman to b over 6. Therefore, wala tayong tinatawag na uplift. So, katong combined stress ng formula. So, muna siya. Substitute. Mo kay P. 1.5 over 3 times 2.5. 1 plus 6E over B nga 3. Makuha na itong net soil pressure as 302 kilopascals. Letter B, required gross soil pressure. For the gross soil pressure, ayun. Diba? Q net is equal to Q gross minus Q sub O. Solving for the overburden pressure Q sub O, that is just the sum of the weight of the soil above the footing and the weight of the footing mismo. So, nakay, pila mong unit weight sa soil. 17.5 multiplied by kani, a distance. Or kani nga height. Pila man ni? 2.5, no, that's 2.5. That's 2.2 minus 0.7. Na, 2.2 minus 0.7 plus weight sa concrete na 23.5 multiplied by the thickness sa imuang footing, 0.7. So, your overburden pressure is 42.7 kilopascals. Now, we can now solve for the gross soil pressure. Na, so, makuha itong gross soil pressure. Kaya nga naman, ato mag na-solve ni ganyan si net o nga 302. Shift solve na lang dayon. Na, muna siya. 344.70 kilopascals. Alright?